Fastmail and ProtonMail both cater to users who want more privacy and control over their email, with different approaches. Fastmail, based in Australia, offers a clean, fast, highly customizable email experience that supports your own domain, advanced filters, folders, and calendars, with strong encryption in transit and at rest. It's ideal for productivity-focused users who want powerful organizational tools, smooth syncing across devices, and zero ads. ProtonMail, based in Switzerland, leans heavily into security. It offers end-to-end encryption by default, meaning not even Proton can read your messages. It's open source, has a strong stance on anonymity, and lets you sign up with personal information. However, this security focus means it's missing some advanced organizational features and integrations that Fastmail has. User feedback tends to praise Fastmail's speed, reliability, and professional features, while ProtonMail users value its encryption, privacy laws, and the sense of total control over their data. On pricing, both start at around $3 to $5 per month, but Proton's free tier makes it more accessible for light users, whereas Fastmail is paid only. In short, choose Fastmail if productivity and features are your priority, and ProtonMail if maximum privacy and encryption are what matters most.